Okay, hello, Merry Christmas, viewers and subscribers. So yeah, this is my also Happy Holidays, viewers and subscribers as well. This is a video of my dad and I's third attempt to fire up his SuperTigre GS-45 two-stroke airplane glow engine. As you see on this engine, I actually have its stock carburetor back on with a SuperTigre fuel nipple / high-speed needle valve for this engine, and for this other carburetor that I tried on here. My dad and I had a difficult time to get that carburetor to fit on there with Teflon tape and all that stuff. Fortunately, the Teflon tape didn't seem to be helping enough on that other carburetor, so I got the stock carburetor back on, and with this high-speed needle valve set, I took that off of a SuperTigre 61 engine that I already have and got fed to the SuperTigre 45. And so far I'm glad that with today's video of trying to run this engine that there has been quite a bit of improvement from the last two tries. And yeah, for sure, with trying to use this for flying, there's definitely some more work that needs to be done, I would say. But I'm so glad about progress that has been made on the SuperTigre GS-45 RC glow engine. I hope you enjoy this video, viewers and subscribers. Thank you.